Here I have TECNO Pop 8, and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. So to do this, firstly you should go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Screen Recorder. So by tap on it once you can switch, you can enable recording, like this kind of menu pops out. You can access its settings here, like you can record device sound, you can record microphone sound, you can change image quality, you can show taps, you can enable do not disturb while recording. So to start recording, you just tap on this red button and immediately recording starts. You can pause it here, you can play it again, and when you're done recording, just tap on the red button and it will be saved to gallery. You can actually access recordings folder from here, and here are our recordings. So from here you can share, favorite, edit, delete them, and perform other actions from this list. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.